Olivya AI has just been released, and if you're wondering whether it's the best new AI software you should be using, you're in the right place. In this review, we're going over the 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before you decide to dive in. Trust me, this software could change the way you do business online, but there are some things you need to understand before jumping in. First up, Olivya AI is built to simplify the digital marketing process. What stands out about it is how it can streamline everything from creating content to automating tasks. For marketers, content creators, and businesses trying to scale, this is a game changer. One of the most powerful features is its ability to quickly generate high-quality content tailored to your specific audience. It's not just about writing text, it's about creating copy that actually resonates with people, making your marketing much more effective. Another huge advantage of Olivya AI is its automation capabilities. If you're tired of spending hours doing repetitive tasks like social media management, email campaigns, or even tracking analytics, this software has you covered. The AI can handle many of these tasks, freeing up your time so you can focus on strategy and growth. If you're already familiar with other AI tools, you'll notice how Olivya's system is designed to be more user-friendly and less overwhelming for people who aren't tech experts. But let's talk about something that really sets Olivya apart: personalization. Many AI tools give you general results, but Olivya takes personalization to the next level. It helps you create targeted campaigns based on data you provide, ensuring that the content your audience sees is relevant to their needs. For businesses looking to convert more leads into sales, this could be your secret weapon. Now, if you're concerned about the learning curve, don't be. Olivya AI's interface is surprisingly intuitive. Whether you're a digital marketer or a small business owner, you won't need to spend hours figuring out how to use it. Plus, the support team is incredibly responsive, so if you hit any snags, help is always just a click away. As for its performance, Olivya delivers high-speed processing. If you're running a busy marketing campaign or need quick results, you won't be waiting around. It processes information faster than many other AI tools on the market, making it ideal for anyone who values efficiency. One area I want to mention: Olivya AI isn't just about being an all-in-one tool, it's about being a smart assistant. It can provide detailed analytics on your campaigns, allowing you to tweak your strategies in real time. This level of insight is invaluable, especially when you're trying to scale quickly and effectively. If you've been looking for a new AI software, I highly recommend checking out Olivya AI, and you can even try it completely free using the first link in the description below. But I wouldn't recommend it if you're not ready to use the software to its full potential. This isn't just another tool, it's a comprehensive solution designed to take your digital marketing to the next level. As we wrap up, I want to mention that I've personally tried thousands of AI software options, and Olivya is definitely one of the best on the market right now. If you're curious about other top AI tools, I've got some great recommendations in the description as well. Be sure to check them out after you've explored Olivya AI. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the first link below to try Olivya AI for free.